total ink solutions. There we go, got it, all right. So if you go to SEP's graphics website, also with us here, we've got Ryan from Sign Outlet. Stand with Total Ink Solutions. Again, shout out to the US Cutter guys. So we have so many people that have made so many different comments about, you know, what happens with these in the washing machine. And we really wanted to find out, you know, what's the truth of it. So you want to get a corner of it and you want to do a tight roll to roll it off of your substrate. You've got to put your hand down on it and you've got to roll it. You've got to roll it tight. Tight, tight, tight roll.
Place the design where you want it and place 10 sheets of normal paper on top of it for added pressure. Do this for 15 seconds at 380 degrees Fahrenheit at medium pressure.
So here's our result. So if you press the text print here for the 30-second period, you can see, you know, it's pretty light compared to the fullness of color that you have with the Jetco product. You can see that there's writing inside of that. I didn't even realize that there was even any writing inside of that, because that's actually too small to really even see. If I can do in 30 seconds what I'm currently doing in 60 seconds, I'm going to double my profit. But what if you are the guy next door? You know, I want this design and I'm ready to pay for it. Hey, great, we can do it. Not only can we do that, but let's put it into a nice neon color. Let's put it on a nice polyester garment, and you're ready to pay even more money for it. Scan of the logo, and there's our AW Papers QR code for the logo on the shirt.
Oh my god, that looks awesome. Wow. Oh my god, that's freaking crazy. Holy cow.
Okay, I'm running away.
Merry Christmas.